So hello guys, welcome to the new live stream of Digital AK47. So मैंने आप लोगों से पहले भी कहा था कि मैं अपनी पूरी स्ट्रीम को चेंज करने वाला हूँ. सो फाइनली आई चेंज्ड माय स्ट्रीम. बट स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा, ये लिंक्डइन के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से मैंने किया है. सो मैंने यूएस सर्वर से होस्ट करके ये लाइव स्ट्रीम किया है. सो you can get delayed and your stream can be loading and loading and loading and loading. So make sure you guys you should have a good internet connection for that, because फिर मुझे ब्लेम मत कीजिएगा कि स्ट्रीम बार बार लोड कर रहा है करके. सो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी फॉर दैट. जल्दी हम लिंक्डइन को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि इंडियन सर्वर भी लगाएं ताकि हम लाइव स्ट्रीम करने से हमें ज़्यादा लोडिंग ना हो, क्योंकि ये लोड पक्का होगा. क्योंकि जैसे मैंने होस्ट किया तो मुझे दिखाएगा कि आपको 60 सेकेंड्स अराउंड समथिंग ड्रॉप है, और ऊपर से मेरा इतना अच्छा इंटरनेट जो कि 35 Mbps पर सेकेंड इंटरनेट देता है, उस पर भी इतना सारा लैग कर रहा है. सो यू विल गेट एन स्क्रीन डिले. सो मैं कहूँगा कि बैकवर्ड करके प्ले कीजिएगा ताकि आपको ज़्यादा आसानी रहे और ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रहे. सो यू कैन क्लियर माई हियर माई वॉइस क्लियरली. And welcome to the new live stream of Digital AK47. So I am your host and host Digital AK47. So before we start the stream, just drop your name and where are you from so that I can know. And I hope you had a good Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday for you. Most of you will have a weekend and also take some time. सो मेक श्योर यू गाइस गेट कनेक्टेड एंड स्टे अपडेटेड. और यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है क्या क्या करना है करके ज़रूर कीजिएगा. और स्क्रीन ओवरले कैसा है करके मुझे बताइएगा. मैंने बहुत दिनों से स्क्रीन ओवरले पे काम किया था और फाइनली आई कंप्लीटेड माई स्क्रीन ओवरले. मुझे पता है ये स्ट्रीम पक्का लैग करेगा. मैं अभी कह रहा हूँ, मैं हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट आप स्ट्रीम पहले से रख के प्ले कीजिएगा, वरना स्ट्रीम आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा, बहुत ही फास्ट चलेगा, फिर आप मुझे ब्लेम मत कीजिएगा. माई हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट फॉर यू गाइस. एंड लेट्स गेट टू द डैशबोर्ड सो दैट आई कैन सी द चैट. अदरवाइज का फ़ोन भी साथ में लेके बैठा हूँ. मैं यूजुअली फ़ोन लेके नहीं बैठता हूँ, बट माई हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट आप स्ट्रीम लाइव पे मत रखिएगा. थोड़ा वो माउस कर्सर को बैकग्राउंड खींच के चले जाएगा ताकि आपको स्ट्रीम लैग ना करे. मैं अभी आपसे हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ गाइस, डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक प्लीज़, बिकॉज लिंक्डइन ने अभी सर्वर सेट नहीं किया इंडिया के लिए. मैं यूएस का सर्वर यूज़ करके ये स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ. अगर आपको ये चीज़ जानना है, बिकॉज मैं पहले रीस्ट्रीम यूज़ करता था, मुझे रीस्ट्रीम अच्छा लगता था, बट आई हेट दैट वाटरमार्क. और मैं अपना खुद का ओवरले लगा नहीं सकता हूँ क्योंकि वहाँ पे मुझे पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन लेनी थी. इतने पैसे मेरे पास नहीं है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. एंड टुडेस लाइव स्ट्रीम इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड इफ़ यू नॉट चेकआउट माई पॉडकास्ट, सारे लिंक्स आपको ओवरले में दिख जाएंगे. मुझे बार बार बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट फिर भी आई विल बी टेलिंग दिस. एंड इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम, do share where are you from and who are you, so you can introduce yourself in the chat. And because I'm a more kind of chatting person, you can ask me anything related to branding and social media marketing, design and strategy, and you can use my knowledge to improve your social media marketing and branding. सो मैं यही कहूँगा कि लाइव स्ट्रीम बहुत लैग करेगा गाइस. मैं अभी कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बिट रेट सिर्फ 5 Mbps का मिल रहा है और मेरा इंटरनेट 35 Mbps का. तो आप समझ सकते हो कि कितना नेट डिफरेंस है. स्ट्रीम पक्का लैग करेगा. मैं ऐसे नहीं कहूँगा स्ट्रीम स्मूथ चलेगा, स्ट्रीम विल लैग लाइक हेल. बट लिंक्डइन से बात करना पड़ेगा, लिंक्डइन से बात करके इंडियन सर्वर लगाना पड़ेगा, बट तभी हम आसानी से स्ट्रीम कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज इट इज़ लैगिंग सो मच, बिकॉज मुझे पता है it is lagging so much. But finally I completed my setup for live stream. So आज से हम लाइव स्ट्रीम ऐसे ही करेंगे. बहुत ही जल्द वो चैट ओवरलेस भी आ जाएंगे, सो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. पर जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है कि अगर आपका इंटरनेट अच्छा है तो आपको बफर देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, बट यू विल डेफिनेटली सी बफर. सो गाइस प्लीज एडजस्ट फॉर दिस टाइम until LinkedIn fix this issue. मुझे पता है. Let me just quickly complete it. Grab some water guys. Let me grab some water. बहुत ही शो है. तो जाके ऑफर देख लीजिए प्लीज. अच्छा पड़ेगा. वाटर तो जाके So yes, guys, I'm back again. So sorry for the in between interval, but I wanted to drink water because मैं लगातार 3 घंटे से बैठा but मैं पानी पीना ही भूल गया. So yes, guys, where are you from? चैट सेक्शन खुला है, आप चैट खोल सकते हो क्योंकि मैंने साइट पे एक और टैब खोल दिया लिंक्डइन लाइव चैटिंग के लिए. You can chat there and where are you from, and today we will be talking about how to create an effective branding design from scratch. If you are doing that, but भाई स्ट्रीम बहुत लैग कर रहा है, इतना तो मैं खुद देख पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे खुद अपने आप पे दिख रहा है वहाँ पे. बट गाइस प्लीज़ एडजस्ट बिकॉज लिंक्डइन जब तक सर्वर नहीं डालेगा तब तक हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, या फिर उसके लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा. मैं मेरा मानो तो आप लाइव पे एकदम मत देखिएगा, एक 30-50 सेकंड्स बैक चले जाएगा ताकि आपका स्ट्रीम लैग ना करे, एटलीस्ट वो लोड होके प्रॉपरली प्ले हो. या फिर देखते हैं जब तक लिंक्डइन इंडियन सर्वर नहीं डाल देते तो या तो फिर मुझे वापस रीस्ट्रीम पे करना पड़ेगा. बट दिस स्ट्रीम एक्चुअली लुक्स नाइस एंड इफेक्टिव, सो मेक श्योर यू गाइस bring it little bit back, and also this live stream will be posted on my YouTube channel as well. So इधर हाँ ये रहा, ये किधर है, ये रहा, ये चैनल को जाके सब्सक्राइब करो, ये चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि ये वीडियो आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाए. सो वी विल बी वेटिंग फॉर सम ऑडियंसेस वंस आफ्टर everyone is live and will be chatting, and then we will start sharing our value on the today's stream. And guys, by the way, thank you for your wholehearted support for my memes page. बहुत ही अच्छा चल रहा है. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि 5 months में हम लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएंगे करके. I didn't expect that, but you guys did it again. So thank you so much because I never expected कि हम लोग इतने effectively memes page को grow कर पाएंगे, but we are doing it and we are killing it. So thank you for that. And today's topic, as I said, we will be talking about some brand design tips. So if you are not connected and if you are, so guys, chat section is empty. What are you doing, guys? Aniket Singh, hi Aniket, I hope you love the content. Actually I am inspired because I also do get inspiration from many people, so it's a cycle. If you get inspired from me, then I will get inspired from one. So it's a cycle, it is going on, going on, going on. And where are you from, bro? Thank you so much. So guys, the chat overlay is for you guys, and also don't forget to push the live stream little bit back around 60 seconds so that you can see without interruption of this live stream, because as I said, this live stream has been hosted from US, so you will definitely will get internet connection issue, and unless if you have a good internet, but you will definitely see stream issues, so that I am very sure. So guys, please make sure that you are having an effective internet and also good internet. And I can see little bit rate lag, but it's fine. And if you want to see the clearest version, I will be uploading it on my YouTube, so make sure you guys subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will slightly get into this today's topic. Just give us 4 more minutes so that audience can join and also have some interaction in the chat section. By the way, Aniket Singh, you have not said that where you are from. If you are watching this live stream, do share where are you from. And also guys, appropriate links are available in the description, so you don't have to search for the links. I am giving it on my description itself, so it will be more effective for you guys. And I will be posting that into my chat as well so that you will never miss it. So that you can never miss it again. So guys, I have added the link in the comments and also in the description. You can check out there from as well. And if you have not listened my podcast, guys, if you want to know me more in personal and my personal experiences, past experiences, current experiences, and some knowledge and some tips, you should definitely check out my podcast where I share much more value and also some tips and tricks and hacks there as well. And from the next week, I am much more scripting with my podcast. So make sure you guys check out my podcast on all the podcasting stream applications, because mostly I like Spotify, then I like Apple Podcast, but I don't use Google Podcast much. But you can definitely check out that as well. So guys, just 2 more minutes and we will get into the topic, which is brand design tips, which I want to actually share to you, because most of them have this same mistakes around their head, that I have designed my brand but I don't know how smartly and effectively to take my brand ahead. So guys, my heartly request, please pull the live stream little bit back so that you can see it without any interruption. And guys, this live stream will be posted on my YouTube, so make sure you guys subscribe my YouTube channel. Just 2 more minutes and we will be starting today's session. And guys, am I sweating? Yes. खून पसीनों की मेहनत तुम क्या जानो, मेरे ऑडियंस बाबू, तुम लोग जानते हो यार, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर विथ मी. Yes, but we have to say to LinkedIn. So maybe next week I'll be creating a post or a video for that, because we should ask LinkedIn to create an Indian server for that as well, because the server is fine but US server is lagging like hell, because I already said, because my internet has some 35 Mbps speed but I am receiving only 5 Mbps, so that's very horrible, because I have opened my streaming software and also my LinkedIn chat at nearby, but it is loading and loading and loading and loading. Guys, if I don't know if you are able to listening it or not, so I'll heartily recommend you to listen it on YouTube clearly, so that you can get an idea what I'm actually sharing in this live stream. And also we will be talking to LinkedIn guys, because we need Indian software, because I have been streaming for 5 months. I was using Restream, but I find it effective, but I don't have that much money to afford it, so that I got some idea from my friend, also some YouTube videos, that this streaming application is super cool and super awesome. But LinkedIn had an option, but they have not added India server, because most of the active LinkedIn accounts after US is in India, I think. Yes, it's actually in India, because in nowadays Indians are using more LinkedIn when comparing to Facebook. So guys, LinkedIn should add and dedicated LinkedIn live server for India, guys. We'll be starting a post for this on Monday, and we'll be asking everyone to retweet and everyone to tag LinkedIn. So guys, we want live server for India, because I today no recently I've seen most of the Indian creators also using LinkedIn live for engaging their audience, because I am using it for as of like 4 months, and I am engaging with my audience much effectively. So guys, give us few more minutes so that our audience can join. So after that we will get into our today's live stream. And also guys, in the upcoming Saturdays we will be having much more fun. So make sure you guys you follow me on LinkedIn and also subscribe my YouTube channel, because that is the only two platform where I'm being most active. So other than that, I also be active on Instagram and Twitter, but I use these two platforms more. Like aroundly I use Twitter 4 hours a day, and Instagram very less, Twitter around half an hour a day, but LinkedIn 6 to 7 hours. 6 to 7 hours. Easily I use 6 to 7 hours. LinkedIn, I don't know what I do with LinkedIn, but I like LinkedIn more, because that's the platform where I created my own identity. Then I started my YouTube, but officially as Digital AK-47 has been started on YouTube, so that's why I love YouTube more as like LinkedIn. And also it is going to be an year I started as Digital AK-47. The journey is going to be a year very close. I'm creating a special video for that as well. I hope you will like it, and also show me your love and support. We will be keep growing, and because if I give value, you will give me engagement and likes. So that's the barter system we have signed with between us. Don't share this with everyone, because if someone hears that, they will follow this lead. Guys, everything is fine, but I'm not getting. Bro, my internet is lagging like hell, bro. Will you do something for the internet? So okay, guys. Why am I sweating this much? So guys, just give me a few minutes. I'll wipe off my sweat and get back. So guys, now I think I'm fresh. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption again. So guys, let's get straight to the topic which I want to share you, which is the branding design. Because most of the businesses create their branding design, but they don't know how smartly to deal with the branding design. It doesn't mean that you have to deal with the branding. You actually want to deal with your branding design. Why? Because your branding design is the only identity that you create on any online platform, not meaning social media or website. I'm meaning the every online platform that you are actually pitching. So your design speaks more when you don't speak, because you can't be online at all the time, because if you are invested in social media or in website or in any platform, it will be 24 bar 7 until the platform gets end. So most of the audience can discover you at any time, because you can't be available at the, you may be sleeping or you may be doing some other work. You can't be online at every time. So most of them thinks that we have a design, we have a template for that, we have a social media template, we have a landing page template for that. But it's okay, guys. I'll say it's not okay, because you are at an initial stage. If it is fine, if you have very basic design, only if you are pitching as brand. I am not telling any business or any creators those who are starting from scratch on online platforms, not for that. Because if you are thinking that, so guys, you are lacking somewhere, because this live stream is specially for those brand creators, so that they can focus on their branding design. So the first mistake most of them does is having a very common design. Brand is not a thing that you should not be common, you should be unique. Because if you see my brand design, i'm not I'm not flexing myself, because I can say, because I have seen my brand, and also I have some clients, but I can't reveal their names, because that's the kind of assurance that I given with him. Because I can't share, because one person I can share, 1 or 2% other I can share on live stream, because they are not my clients, they are more like my family now, so I can use their examples. But as of now, I'll keep my brand as an example. If you see my brand, most of them thinks I am a creator, I am an animator, because of my logo. Because most of them have said that, bro, I like your designs, I like your concept, especially I like your colors. So most of them knows my color, which is orange, black and white. And some people have said me that your brand color is not nice, because some may like and some may not like. Because I also created a dedicated post on that, which color you should choose on your brand, because I have created a dedicated carousel for that, what every color feeling and emotion stands for, so that you can connect with your brand. If you're not check out, then you're not following me on LinkedIn with my updates. So don't do this mistake, guys. So most of them have this wrong perception, so I will ask them to think freshly, because if you are not just building a brand design, you are giving your brand a name, like a newborn baby name, because once it's kept till the death of that brand. So it will, the design will remain the same. You can give an improvisation, you can rebrand it later on, but at that time, if you have fixed it, then that's the final until you don't change. It doesn't mean that you will change at the next day. That's not brand. At the initial stage, you can do this, you can do much more trial and error, so that you can know your audience more. But once you have a decent set of audience listening you, watching you, gaining, consuming knowledge from you, content from you, your product or services, whatever you do with your branding, once you have a decent set of audience, it doesn't mean that you should have lakhs of followers. No, like that. If you have like 100, I will start from 100, because that's very basic. In day-to-day life, if you don't have a 100 engaging audience, then somewhere you are lacking with your strategy. Let's don't go on my communication. I'm improving my communication day by day a lot, so that in upcoming days you will see much effective of my communication. So guys, please forgive. So most of them think that my brand design, if it is basic, it's okay. It's not okay, guys. If you are building an effective brand, that's the first mistake which you're doing with your brand. So don't do this mistake, because I did this mistake. I did a lot of trial and error with my branding design, so that I can so that I am sharing with you. And the next mistake which every business does is, I will have one template, and I have my brand colors, my font, my brand logo. That's how my brand is completed. Your brand is not completed, because branding is not in one day game. You have to work hard, work hard, work hard. If Adidas or Apple thought that my branding is done, they will never release a product. They can recycle their product again and again. Why they are bringing innovations? Why they are investing in huge ads? Why they are investing in much more creative content visualization? Because every product, I will give a best example of Adidas and Apple, because I follow those products a lot when comparing to other products. Because if Apple announces a new product, we can see a fresh design. The branding is same, the logo is same, their thought is same, but the visuals they do, the design they do, the promotion they do, it's is apart from my thinking. It may be differ from you, because it may be differ from your brand to brand that you are actually targeting. So that's where your branding design plays. It doesn't mean that my brand is color is fixed, so that I will stick with that color. No, you can use alternative colors as well, because there is no color in the world that doesn't have an alternative. It's up to me, because I know if I'm using orange, black and white more, there are substitute colors as well. So I use gray as well. I use somewhere red. I use somewhere pale orange and some light blue. So I have some secondary set of colors as well. So if I need to add them in my upcoming content, so I actually add them, because I know to play with colors, so I know effectively. So that's why if you are fixing a template, you can kickstart it with it at an initial stage, but when you are running in long run, you should bring innovations with your branding design. That's where most of the brand sucks. So you should not do this mistake, because it will hardly take not much of your time, because design is the ultimate part. Your strategy will work, your plan will work, you know your objective, what you want to achieve with your branding, but at the end of the day, if your design doesn't speak, the all of your branding work will be flawed. I have faced this with a client. I had to face some losses as well, so I'm sharing this experience. So make sure you guys, if you are building a brand, make sure you guys you heavily focus on your design, because that's the only thing you can focus on. That's the only thing in result it will bring you much more audience towards your audience. So don't forget this, guys. So because this mistake does by all, most of them, everyone does this. So don't forget this. And also soon I'll be start live streaming in YouTube as well. So because yes, I can live stream, but I can't live stream both platform at the time. So I'll be scheduling some live streams as well in future. Maybe you'll see much more effective content as well. For that, subscribe my channel. And the next mistake with branding design does is client satisfaction is most important. My clients always say you should satisfy me than my audience. I have a very different approach, guys, because I'll stick to it because I have a very different approach for my clients, especially in the terms of branding design and social media design for them. I usually say them my strategy is very quite straightforward. If a client approaches me, if you because I'm sharing my experience with my recent one of my client. If you're listening my podcast, I have shared this already on my podcast, but yes, I'm sharing here. I have said him that while I create your design or while I execute the content that for your branding, I don't think of your taste and preference. I think you and your audience taste and preference as well, because that's the long run. That's a long run for your branding. He at the initial stage, I know what my audience need is, but on the next dialogue he said that yes, you had researched my audience, then you know better than me. At the conversation I said him that yes, I know your audience better, so I did what's effective for you and your audience. I have not considered you as the ultimate one. I have considered you and the audience as an equal stage. So that's where I pitch my audience, because I work with very selective clients so that I know, because that's why some audiences are with me till date. So that's the mistake is, if I am satisfied, my client is satisfied. No, you are not satisfied unless your audience is engaging with it. So most of the brands design success, get success, and most of them never get the success or never get the engagement they need. So my ring light is little bit brighter. Let me just reduce it. One second, guys. Yes, that's fine. That's fine, because that's so much yellowish. Yes, now it's actually neutral. So never think that this is the expectations. You can keep expectations, but your reality should be much higher than your expectations, so that that's the measure of success actually you can expect from your branding. So make sure you guys, you should have an effective design for that. Because why I'm talking so much about design, because I'm doing a specialization on that, because recently I have found my niche and I'm working on it. Because at my this 1 year of journey, so that will be I'm talking on my dedicated video of 1 year of digital AK-47 journey. So you never miss that. You will enjoy it, guys. Seriously, I'm saying it, you will enjoy it. I'll be posting some leaks on my LinkedIn, but the full video will be available on only my YouTube. So you have to watch it on YouTube, so you will definitely enjoy it. So that's where the next mistake every brand does with their design is, it's okay, it's okay with my content. Everything is not it's okay, it should be the perfect or the great. Most of them have a design, they will give 2 to 3 revision and then like, okay, it's fine, it's okay, it's postable, we can post it. No, it's not postable unless you don't think it's smart about it. So yes, guys, that's the one of the common mistake I have seen with the branding design for clients. So I usually tell them it should be not okay, it should be the top notch, because in day-to-day life of social media the competitors are growing. Even though he may be not your competitor, but if he is in your niche, then he's directly or indirectly your competitor. I'll say that because there is no justification for that. You may think him as competitor, you may not think him as competitor, but if he's doing the same thing in your niche, then he's your competitor. But personally, according to me, I don't have any competitor, because I love everyone in this community, and also I have a very unique approach apart from them. So that's where the branding stands unique among your market. So that's why most of them does branding, so that they don't have to focus much on their competition. They will do what they like and what they can do uniquely for their audience. So now you get to know who are your competitors, how to measure them, and how branding will make competition much easier. I will not say much easier, but yes, it will give you some leisure from the competitor as well, so that That's why you should focus on branding, because everyone is trying to build their brand, but most of them never reach the success or the ideal expectation they should get from their branding. So don't forget this. And that's a friendly tip and a bonus tip from me as well. So if you are investing in branding, then take a research, analyze, get consultation from everyone. If you want me, description my link, you can definitely check out, and you can reach out me. 30 minutes consultation is free for everyone, guys. Yes, that's 3, yeah. 30 minutes consultation is free for everyone, so you can definitely reach out me, and also other creators if you want, because branding is not a one day game. I'm again repeating this, branding is not a one day game. It takes in the long run, because that's a never ending race. If you play Temple Run, you know the game doesn't end. So you have to go on, you have to go on, you have to go on to reach your high score. You have to beat your own high score, and you have to grow yourself. You have to set a trademark for that. So that's just like the branding goes like this. You have to work hard, you have to grow, you have to grow unique, you have to grow your audience, you have to grow unique with your product and services, you have to grow with your content, you have to grow with your branding message. So that's where most of the content works hard with it. So you should never leave your branding, because if you are investing in branding, don't leave it at the middle. So if you are leaving at the middle, it will make you fade away from the market. So you never leave from. Navanik Prasar, doing good job, keep it up, brother. Thank you, Navanik, thank you. I'm glad that you are still watching the live stream. So so much glad, because Navanit, Navanit and I have a very different bond with each other. We will talk it someday else. And where was I? Yes, branding design. So never do this with a branding design, because most of them think that branding design is an easy game. It's not an easy game, definitely not an easy game, because I've been to this industry. I know how business and how normal people thinks about branding. That's not the perception. Having a logo, having a unique color, having a unique template doesn't mean that you are doing a branding. Branding is a very different thing. It's like an unique thing, because branding is like a नामकरण of your own identity. एक बार लग गया तो it will not change till the end of your day, because my original identity is different, and my social media present identity is digital AK-47 or AK-47. So that's where I don't mix up my personal identity with my professional identity, because most of them think that AK-47 एक ऐसा नाम है, एक ऐसा नाम है, because I can clearly say that this username is only one in the world like this, because I have never seen a username like this before. I have seen some unique name as well, because I like those unique name as well, because everyone listens my name. Most of them never follows me again, because terrorist. Like what a gun name is this? Yes, but that's my branding. I'm working with it, and at the initial stage I have to face so much struggle, but now audience are actually knowing me with my brand name. So that's the milestone I have set it for me. So that's where I like myself. So yes, guys, let's end this with the conclusion. How many hours do we have stream? It's like 35 minutes, 36 minutes. Oh wow, great. Yes, at the ending I want to add one more thing with the branding design is plan well before initiating. That's it. I will not say consistent, I will not say hard work, I will not say be unique, because branding includes everything. I will be not explaining much more on the branding, what is branding, how to do branding. I'll be doing, if you want this, I will be doing in the upcoming days on my videos. So for that, you know what to do. Follow these two platforms and DM me at any time. सारे links आपको description में मिल जाएंगे. So let's wrap, and let me just quickly check the chat. So you might be not seeing the chat because I have kept it private, so only I can see the chat. If you are seeing this on LinkedIn, you can chat there, and this stream will be staying on my LinkedIn. And if not, I will be deleting it. But yes, I'll be soon asking LinkedIn team to set up an Indian server there as well. So guys, I'll be tweeting that and also sharing the post on LinkedIn. So guys, do share this post. I have never asked to share this post, because Monday I'm creating a post on that. Do share this so that people, founders of LinkedIn, listen to us, because India is not is not less than US, because some more features are been announcing in US first. Basically, I think that everyone are equal, so every community in the platform should get the access at the same time, because I personally think that because there are some more features that are available in other countries, but it has not arrived in India. It will arrive very late. So yes guys, so for that I'm creating a post on that on Twitter and LinkedIn. So guys, if you like this, if you want an Indian LinkedIn live server, do share this post. Just notify LinkedIn that we want Indian server. Yes, because I'm hosting this on US and the internet speed is hell guys. Internet speed is hell. Even though 35 Mbps, find this. Why I'm saying this again, because some might have joined this live stream at the middle and they don't might know why the stream is loading and whether there is an internet problem with my. No, it's not an internet problem of yours or mine, because I have a good internet connection even though I'm downloading and as well as I'm streaming. So I'm not facing any lag on my software, just lagging on my LinkedIn because it is hosted via USA. So that's why it's lagging so much, because the ping it takes to upload and also deploy, I don't know the exact terms, but it is taking so much time. So let's wrap this live stream guys. See you in the next live stream. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. If you have anything to ask related to social media and branding, design and strategy, you can reach out to me at any time. Description में आपको सारे links मिल जाएंगे. Comments में भी मैंने link add कर दिया है. Till that, signing off, and also stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next live stream guys. Peace.